I did finally get my Wet n Wild collection, but because I was doing all those other things, I haven't done any swatches or anything. But I got all the stuff I wanted. So it's the translucent powder. I love eye pomades. I know the it keeps, as I go in and out of the camera, it gets dark, but I'm like not prepared because my brain, I was supposed to be going to school today. So I just kind of put everything away, but I got the brow pomade, and the new micro brow pencil with the little thingy on the end, the little brush on the end. The new stick foundation. A lot of people are saying that stick is so much easier and better. And in a way, you're not messing up your makeup brushes. You're just, and I guess you just use a sponge if you need to even it out. They did new glitter liquid liners. So I got that. I got the new coconut primer. I ordered the rose one, but there is this discrepancy on the website where the SKU number was the same as the cucumber, and they sent me cucumber, but they're gonna be sending me my rose one soon. Got a hydrator stick, so I guess using this with this would, I guess, is the way you're supposed to do it. And the eye makeup remover stick, it's not here, so I must have put it with my eye makeup remover up here. Use it in the bathroom. Let me see. I think that was it as far as that. I got all the pencils except for the black, because for some reason black is just not available yet. And I tested the pinks, and they are two different shades of pink, but it's still not the light pink. And when I called them up about the rose primer, they said most likely, since it did so well, they'll probably have it again this year. And hopefully that pink will be available, that light pink color will be available. I got some of the lipsticks. So it's bugging me that I can't find the eye makeup remover stick. It's white. It's like this, but white. And I didn't find it I guess I got to just really look better. But anyway, it's an eye makeup remover stick. This is how their new multi-sticks, it's not black like the Halloween ones. And this is the pink, and it's lighter than the pink that they had for the multi-sticks, Halloween multi-sticks, Fancy Makers, was darker. It almost looked red. And this one is more of a hot pink, fuchsia color. And these are the lipsticks I got. One of the things I wish that Wet n Wild would do is give descriptions of their colors. I thought that this was like a blue-black, but it's just a black. So I got the black one. And whatever colors I thought would suit me, like I got a bright, I haven't even opened these, so I'm sorry. I got a bright red one. Then I got a regular red one, if that gives you any indication. And this is more like a wine colored one. I got a rosy color and like a deep dark burgundy color. And I'm sorry, I was gonna open them for you to show you, but I didn't realize I didn't open it yet. So yeah, I did get that, and I guess I'll have time for swatches. This week I have an appointment for tomorrow. I have to bring my son to school on Thursday because he needs to discuss graduation. And I think Friday, I'm not sure if I have anything to do on Friday. And maybe I could just get to doing all the swatches for you. But yeah, I got every color of the stick, because you could use these as liners and use them like for Halloween. Use them for whatever you want to do. Put a flower on your face. I got every color except the black, because the black is still not available. So yeah, so when I get a chance, I will do swatches of this for you and take pictures and everything. So yeah, that's all I got. I'm really pissed off about this. What Physicians Formula didn't make enough. They don't limit. There's one lady bought up 10 of those Haley Casey Holmes Butter Collection. So she bought 10 of the Butter Collection Casey Holmes collaboration of those kits. And she's on eBay selling them for $46. 10 of them. Meanwhile, we couldn't get it. It's like I said, I was away for 2 hours while I was waiting at a long stoplight or a train or something. I looked and it said it's up. But by the time I got home, it was gone. Then I was checking Ulta day and night, because it was supposed to come out. It was supposed to come out on the Ulta website. And one morning, I was having a bit of a family crisis, and I forgot to check. By the time I checked, same thing. Ulta had them sold out in like, I don't even know. I don't even know when it went up or when it sold out. All I know is that I went to bed at about 11 or 12, and it still wasn't available. And so somewhere in the midnight or early morning hours, it became available. And when I went to check at 1, sold out. So, they said they're going to make more, so let's see. But they really need to put limits on these things, because it's $20 and you're getting 4 butter eyeshadows, 3, I think bronzer, blusher, and highlighter, 1 lipstick, and 1 perfume. That would go for $100, and they're selling it for like $20. And I'm really hoping that when they restock it, they don't raise the price. But I do hope that they need to learn to put limitations. Physicians Formula is owned by Mark Quinn, just like Wet n Wild. And Wet n Wild learned the hard way after everybody's cursing them out. And people started threatening to stop buying from them. Now they make enough. And so I guess Physician Formula, they just came out with these butter eyeshadows and everybody wants them. So I'm not getting any of the butter shadows or lipsticks yet. I want to try and get a hold of that collaboration because it's all limited edition colors. And, before I decide if I want to get the $20 or $17, depending on where you go, for their palettes, and then a couple of their lipsticks. So that's what I'm waiting on for that. It's just ridiculous how they don't put limitations and then people can't get their hands on it and it sells out in 30 minutes. That's just absolutely ridiculous. Sugar Pill says limit 4 per person, so they need to say like 2 per person, Anyway, just makes me angry. So it's $20 and they're selling it for $46 on eBay. So anyway, hopefully this week I'll get up all the swatches of everything for you as well.